North Texas, good afternoon. This is Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, 7 miles out, passing 2,500.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, North Texas Tower, and 7 miles in what direction? Seneca 37 Tango right, close traffic, report midfield right, downwind runway 17 left.
Right, close traffic, and report midfield right, downwind 37 Tango.
Runway 17 left, India Tango Bravo.
37 Tango, I need your right traffic and report midfield right, downwind.
Right traffic and report right, downwind 37 Tango.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, that was stepped on. Say your position from the airport.
Radial 130, now 4 miles.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, thank you. And make left traffic, runway 17 left, report midfield left, downwind.
Okay, I understand you are clear to land, runway 17 left.
North Texas Tower, Cessna 8 Bravo Kilo, 3 miles final.
478 Bravo Kilo, wind 190 at 12, runway 17 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 17 left, Cessna 8 Bravo Kilo.
North Texas Tower, Cessna 6246 Papa to pass the Westboro with information Julia inbound for touch and go.
Cessna 6246 Papa, North Texas Tower, report 5 miles southwest of the airport.
Report 5 miles southwest of the airport for 6 Papa.
Tower Seneca 5337 Tango, midfield right, downwind, gear down and lock, touch and go.
Seneca 5337 Tango number 2, following the Cessna about 1 mile final, report traffic in sight.
Traffic in sight for 37 Tango, number 2.
Seneca 5337 Tango number 2, wind 190 at 13, runway 17 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option number 2, 37 Tango. North Texas Tower, Cessna 7381, clear of Delta.
Cessna 73381, frequency change approved.
Center approach 73381.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, final, runway 17 left.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, okay, no, Roger, runway 17 left, clear to land. 47 Bravo Kilo, go around the left side of the runway immediately.
Okay, go around the left side of the runway, India Tango Bravo.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, okay, say intention, sir, you can't do that.
60 here, and I go to the final again.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, are you canceling IFR?
No, it was visual approach.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, you still can't do that. You can continue on the left downwind to runway 17 left. You're now number 2 to the runway, following a Seneca intercepting 1.5 mile final.
Okay, after the Seneca, India Tango Bravo.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, report traffic in sight.
Tango Bravo.
47 Bravo Kilo, turn left taxiway Bravo, taxi to park via Alpha, remain this frequency.
Taxi via Bravo Alpha, remain this frequency, Cessna 8 Bravo Kilo.
Okay, India Tango Bravo, I have the traffic on final inside.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, wind 200 at 14, gust 18, runway 17 left, clear to land.
7 left, clear to land, India Tango Bravo.
Tower, Cessna 494, tower, 5 miles right now.
Cessna 49447, make a 360 at 5 mile final, report back inbound.
Make a 360, I report back inbound, Cessna 494, tower.
Tower Cessna 6246 Papa, 5 miles southwest of the airport.
Cessna 6246 Papa, make right traffic, runway 17 left, report midfield, right downwind.
Make a right traffic, report midfield, right downwind, runway 17 left, proceed Papa.
For Cessna 935 Alpha 5 mile east.
Cessna 965 Alpha Alpha, make left traffic, runway 17 left, report midfield, left downwind.
Midfield, left downwind, runway 17 left, 965 Alpha Alpha. Sussex Tower, Cessna 49447, inbound.
49447, thank you, report 3 mile final.
Report 3 mile final, Cessna 447.
Seneca 37 Tango, and left close traffic, report midfield, left downwind, runway 17 left, and keep it tight if you can.
Left close traffic, report midfield, left downwind, we'll keep it tight, 37 Tango.
Romeo India Tango Bravo on final, runway 17 left.
Alpha Romeo India Tango Bravo, runway 17 left, cleared to land. Cessna 965 Alpha Alpha, you're going to be joining the downwind behind a Seneca left crosswind at this time, and look for that traffic and report midfield left downwind, runway 17 left.
Okay, I will follow that same time. I will looking for traffic, 95 Alpha Alpha.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, turn left taxiway Charlie, and say your parking location.
Okay, leaving on Charlie, you go to Texas Dubai.
Papa Romeo India Tango Bravo, roger, and you'll just continue left on Charlie there, straight across Alpha into the ramp, and taxi to park, remain as frequency.
Roger that.